Hello guys, welcome to our channel American Money School. Our today's topic is the one money rule rich people follow every day.
As we transition, we see a man sitting at a cafe, reviewing his financial progress on a laptop. Successful people don't leave their future to chance. They create plans and take action. The camera zooms in, capturing his determination as he inputs new investment options into a spreadsheet. The man pauses and leans back, contemplating the choices he's made. It's not just about earning, it's about the smart decisions that lead to true wealth, he reflects, the cafe bustling around him. He picks up his coffee, taking a moment to appreciate how far he's come, fueled by knowledge and discipline. The screen transitions to a graph illustrating progress over time, showing a steady upward trend. Remember, every investment is a step towards financial freedom, he advises, enthusiasm shining in his eyes. Visualize your goals, he says, envisioning his future. With renewed focus, he sketches a roadmap on a napkin, outlining his financial aspirations. Make them specific and measurable, he continues, emphasizing the importance of clarity. As he draws, we see his dreams take shape, a new home, a comfortable retirement, and travel adventures. The camera pulls back, showing others in the cafe absorbed in their own tasks, unaware that one simple act can set a person on a path to success. Commit to your future today, and watch your life transform, he concludes, a soft smile forming as he looks back at his laptop, envisioning the opportunities ahead. A gentle fade transitions to a close-up of his hands, as he highlights his savings goals on the map. Imagine the life you want, and let that vision motivate your decisions, he encourages, his tone full of conviction. The scene shifts to a woman entering a finance seminar, clutching a notebook tightly to her chest. Knowledge is power, she thinks, ready to embrace the principles that will lead her to financial independence. The camera captures her determination, illuminating the potential waiting to be unlocked in all of us. Take that leap. Your future self will thank you, the narrator intones as the seminar begins. Together, we've explored the essential practices that lead to financial success, emphasizing the importance of prioritizing oneself in financial decisions. Remember, wealth building is not a stroke of luck but a series of conscious choices. Start implementing these steps today, and transform your future into one of financial freedom and abundance.